Hello. The first item in the product master menu is product group. In order to group the products, we can use this option. We can enter the name of the new product group like mobile phones, food and beverages, sportswear, etc. under the field group name and then save it. You can see the group of the product will appear in the list. The second item in the product master is the product category. Click on the product category. Here, the user can subclassify the items into different categories like laptops, desktops, printers, footwear, and so on. So, just type in the name of the category and click on the Save button to register it into the application. Now let's explore the brand menu. In the product master, click on the brand. The user can create different brands to identify the product belonging to the brand name. For example, Apple, Samsung, Nestle, Sony, etc. Type the brand name and click on the Save button. You can see the brand you added is appearing in the list. Now let's understand the unit of measurement. In the product master, click on the unit of measurement. Here, the user can create different measurement units for different items. Example, kgs, liters, bottles, cartons, boxes, numbers, and so on. The user has to define the unit, type the symbol of the unit and give the decimal point if applicable, and then click on the Save button. Now let's explore the product menu. In the product master, click on the product option. On the right corner, you can find a tab to add the new product. Click on it. Choose the group of the product, the category, the product code, name, the brand, and the unit. Give the description of that item and the selling price. Attach the image of the product if you want. And if this item requires approval at the time of proposal, then you can mark it here. This product approval requirement checkmark supersedes the invoice approval, and then just click on the Save button to save the item in the system. Thank you.